it
Yeah, they
Plague?
took him out.
It's Plague, yeah.
I heard that as soon as it started. Never
Which is
heard that before.
awesome because I'm bringing like all these healing perks and it's fucking Plague. I'm telling you, man, this game. Oh, did you bring BT? Freddy. Ghostface.
Did you bring your
Yes,
AK?
Sterling Trimmers.
How do you know?
Because the Jenny at top has the thing covering it right now.
Maybe it's just a tarp.
Yeah,
Yep.
maybe it's a fucking tarp, man.
Maybe it's supposed to rain tonight.
Yeah, maybe the
You're supposed to
trimmer's
leave-
like, listen, bruh.
You're supposed to leave your Jenny out in the rain. Bruh, get rusty.
Yeah, bruh. Don't you know that?
It's rusty nails.
What in the fuck are we doing here,
He's
baby girl?
spewing.
I got a question now.
Okay.
Where them gins at, though?
You gotta run her more than 10 seconds.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Are you leading her to the killer shack? 'Cause that's where I'm at.
Rip.
Well-
Rip.
Because I decided to go the opposite way so Shadow wouldn't get killed.
You know what? The Wendigo's gonna get you.
I hope it does. You know what her green stuff is? It's the coronavirus.
DBD predicted it.
DBD predicted it. You better run, Shadow. You're gonna get.
Already did.
We're gonna spew on you.
Oh! She's a
Oh,
tunneler.
wow. You are tunneling, ladies and gentlemen. Really, bitch?
Do you not have the D yet?
No.
God dang. That needs to be your very next thing you work on.
I'm gonna go ahead and say it.
So,
You're not my supervisor.
Damn. I just want to be your
Yeah,
coach.
dog.
Can I be your coach?
I've been waiting for it to come up in the Shrine of Secrets.
Oh, you don't own it? The DLC?
I don't know. Yeah, I did. Oh. What? Oh!
In a long time, let me tell you.
Shit, I'll be on a pallet, but it's not gonna matter. Oh, she knows too, dude. Shit.
Oh!
Son
I hit
of a
dead
slut.
hard.
What's Miss Tweaker doing? Because I've done 2
Nothing.
gyms.
She is
Picking him up.
literally.
Wow.
Tweaker!
She probably could have had you and everything.
This episode needs to be called "Come On, Tweaker."
Tweak.
And she is going to cleanse, and she's face camping.
Yeah, we're just multitask, growing up and working on this shit.
That's pretty
One day.
good. Come on, Tweaker.
She went after me.
Run!
You can call me the gin jockey.
What's up, Jin Jockey?
Fuck, dude.
You can call Raven the dead jockey. I'm gonna lie, that green
Gin,
cloud.
nerd.
Generator down here? Fuck yeah, there is.
Did you get that Jenny done to kill the shack yet? I can't.
Yeah.
They did good.
Yeah, I got that down way before you even got hooked. We're down.
I'm dead, boys.
I can't see all this green
Green?
aura.
Yeah. Really, Gorgonite?
Try to work on the Jenny in the basement here.
Gorgonite.
What? I heard like a girl throwing up. Like, did you hear that?
Uh-huh.
That! Ugh.
No.
Is that her? Is she a zombie? Where's she at?
Let me scanning for Gorgonite. She's in the school, bruh.
Is that the way my character throws up?
I think so. Yeah, it is! I just heard it!
Girl!
I just heard that!
It's like, ugh.
Bruh, it's nasty.
I'm gonna just run into her. Hi, my name's Outlaw. I like to run into the killer.
This other person,
I'm doing nothing.
not a damn thing, guys.
I've
we're
been
touching
four
it.
of the 4 gens that's been done.
She touches the generator and then runs away from it. Ah, this killer and this other.
You got borrowed, so...
Sorry. Oh my god, run right into each other, why don't you?
What is with this dude? I think my character is broke.
I think your sounds broke.
I think your character's broke too, because that was some weird...
I wouldn't go that way, there's basement.
And no pallet.
And what's his nut wasted it. Full steam
And I
ahead.
can't see nothing.
Dude, I don't know how you're... Oh!
Where you guys at in the school?
Yeah. Oh!
I'll take it.
Nice! You just got fucking... You're done.
Hello?
Move it, Tweaker! Tweaker the Beaker. You better find like an armada of pallets.
I can't see for one. Bruh.
What up, bruh?
God damn, that generator stinks.
I like that ass.
Yeah. The chat said let her die.
Alright.
Door's right behind you, Turbo. You're not gonna. Oh my.
God dang. How did... That was like the forever most longest freaking...
We let her die, yeah.
Yeah, it's in the basement.
I found the hatch.
I got big balls.
Well,
You're dead on hook, aren't you?
yeah.
We'll get it. Well, we'll get out.
I don't know. She looks like she's being very campy.
She is. I bet
You
she's got no ed.
You know it.
I need to cleanse.
I didn't mean to fast fault that.
She's hot on that ass now.
Here, I'll get her on me.
Cleanse.
Oh, that's a nope.
No, that's big old camping. She's like literally the definition of face camping right now.
Oh, oh.
She's going for a 2K streak, alright?
You know what? Should have wiggled faster. I'm pretty sure she either had to be 99 or was not wiggling.
She wasn't wiggling, dude. I bet you a dime she wasn't wiggling.
Let me heal you.
Nah.
Please?
No.
Ah, I get points too.
Yeah.